Onwards. Okay, onwards to the second part. This you should be pretty familiar with Unit 1. We're asking you to insert bar lines to complete the measures in 4-4 meter. All of these are in 4-4. In fact, I'll go in and change the worksheet that you'll get so you see the 4-4 time signature in the front. Okay, so everything is a 4-4, so we need a maximum of 4 quarter note equivalents to each bar. So I have 2 quarter notes here. This is a half rest. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes. So the first bar line goes here. Next, you have a quarter rest, quarter note, and 2 eighth notes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. These 2 eighth notes together is 1 quarter note, and then this eighth rest and this eighth note together, okay, also 1 quarter note. Okay, so here's 1 and 1, right? So and then the bar line goes here. A quarter note, these 2 eighth notes together is 1 quarter note, and of course that quarter note by itself becomes the 4th quarter note, so the next bar line goes here. And then just to check our work, the very last one, you have 1 quarter note, a dotted quarter note, which lasts 1.5 quarter notes, and then also an eighth rest, which lasts half a quarter note. Next, you have a dotted quarter note, okay, sorry, dotted quarter rest. Okay, of course, that's lasts 1.5 beats in 4-4. That's together with this eighth note. Together, that's so far we have 2 quarter notes. This is a dotted eighth note with a 16th note. So together, that's 1 quarter note. Okay, and then these 2 eighth notes again together 1 quarter note. So the next bar line goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1 quarter note here and a dotted half rest. Remember, that's a half rest. Okay, not a whole rest. Okay, because it's sitting on the 3rd line. Of course, that lasts 3 beats in 4-4, so 1 plus 3, that's the 4 beats, and that's it. Okay, and then you have a dot quarter note plus an eighth note, so together this is 2 beats in 4-4, and then you have 1 and 1, so then the bar line goes here. You have a whole rest here. Notice how that looks different from the half rest. Okay, subtle but very, very important. So that whole rest lasts all 4 beats, just like a whole note. So that's it. That is the bar line. And then this is a dotted half note, which is 3 beats in 4-4, and then quarter note, of course, is 1. So that completes the final bar. Lastly, I have these 2 eighth notes is 1 quarter note. These 2 eighth notes, another 1 quarter note. Okay. This quarter note, of course, is 1 quarter note, and they have a dotted eighth rest with the 16th note. Together, that's also equivalent to 1 quarter note, so I'm going to add a bar line here. 16th and a dotted eighth, that's 1 quarter note. This eighth note and eighth rest together, 1 quarter note. This is half a quarter note. This is half a quarter note, these 2 eighth notes, right? Sandwiching the quarter note in the middle. Okay, so altogether 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats in 4-4, equivalent of 4 quarter notes, so the bar line goes right there. And then finally you have a 2 eighth notes, of course that's 1 quarter note, another quarter note. This is another quarter note, here's a quarter note, right? And then so our final bar line goes here, and of course we end with another whole rest which lasts 4 beats. Right? So this is a quick overview of this part of the worksheet. Please review this on your own. Also, if you'd like, print it out again and just work on it and ask me if you have any questions.